to my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today I am going to I am going to trading the I'm going to trading parrot. Yeah. What's it? What if I try on my shadow with it? Why everyone come to ask me? Sorry, no. Sorry, no. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. Tree and show. Okay. Okay, so let me. Also, guys, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button. Say something in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry for I never observed. So exactly some pet. I had to put the right potion for her. Put the dragon. Put one Scarex. It's going to be fair. Am I overpaying? Am I overpaying? Am I overpaying? I think maybe. Can I change some? No, don't skip. Can I change some? I wanna change my Scarex to the 5 King Queen. I wanna change my Rexy to the Ninja Monkey. No, scale. Sorry, I made neon scale. Sorry, I made neon. I also put it on. Oh my god, I don't know if there's a fair trade that I'm put together 2 neon parrot. I said, I feel already pursuing all these legendaries. I feel overpaying. I feel really overpaying. Ooh, I got it. Oh, I got it. What if I, guys? Oh, I got it. Guys know that I love my shadow. That I just nearly got today, and I have to trade it away with my legendary pet. Yes. Sure, why not? This is for trade. I'm going to trade in this guy. I have to put the name is Mina Bluey. I like to put Bluey. Yeah, but you trade off. Am I talk true? Okay, now it's on. Okay, put this. Okay. So, nếu mà bạn know better. Sorry, but it's under. This is way more than that pet. I'm sorry. I feel like I wanna trade my all of this legendary for that, and I would try to making the Mega Oil. Maybe. I think she a better vessel. Who? Your officer is bad. Our officer is neon. You're not better off, so I think, yeah, you're thinking, but I'm not thinking about that. Ooh, it's not a good trait. Someone with a neon oil? What if I try on this? Wait. Okay, so again. Expo. T-Rex is not rare in game anymore. Ooh, a Mega Dragon. Mega Dragon is losing value. Let me add. Yeah. I feel overpaying. No. This is way more than Shadow, way more than. I want to make something better to make a OT dope. Okay, so a cloud. Whoa. Yeah, ooh, just put that way more. Wait, it can be the neon stone. This is albino pet. I know what about the albino pet. But neon kissone and neon king bee. It's not a fair trait. Sorry. I look like I kind of like it in my true eyes, but it's kind of not fair. Or under something else. Sorry. Who is the girl with the parrot? What happened in the world? Oh my god. Sorry guys. Oh my god. Okay. She's finding a dodo. I don't have dodo. Jonah play. Oh, Halloween! I love Halloween! Angel. Oh, I want the turtle one. Did you use get the street? Angel, please. Oh, that's not a good treat. Oh, blue dog. No. She left. No. He actually left the game. Oh, I have to play a mini game first. Yeah, so we still watching some observe it. Yeah. Okay, I'll start each fence. I already have that. Look. I already have them. Look at me. Don't trip me that pet. I already have them. I hang around 8, so I think I can give away the albino pet. If you click the support button and select button, say your Roblox username, comment section down below. And I'm going to check out if you guys actually subscribe me or not. And not. Okay. I wanna see some more observe. Please. I can make a neon turtle more. We already have that. No! I think we still can get more. Guys, now, we still see, we still, a neon bed trading neon bed. She said she's trading the neon bed. I'm the first guy trading her neon bed. Okay, I put everything. Wait, I put one more. I put everything. So, this one is got straight. OMG! Really? OMG! Really? friend me? Can you friend me? OMG, friend me. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. Let me think. Wait. Let me think. Let me think. Okay, so I wanna replace my Frosty with Shadow, Neon Parrot, Neon Turtle, and Scarexes, and this is, if I get that one, my pet is trying to getting on the, I can treat this off too with the Scarex Shadow Dragon. I think I have to get that pet dragon later or something else. I don't know. I don't even know Scarex exactly is gonna be. Especially now if I am. See now, please. I already have them. And Pet Dragon. And my new parrot with a Pet Dragon. Maybe two with two Pet Dragon. And two more Shadow. Oh, no, Shadow didn't work like that. I don't know right now. Everything in my life. And I need the Mina Blue. This. Yeah, that's all maybe. And also this neon turtle. And four of the words. Yeah. She's coming on me. Oh my god. Oh my god, no way. She actually coming for me. No. Don't miss. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh my god. You think? Yeah, I'm still thinking. I still. Why she escaped so faster than everyone? Yeah, I still. So my answer is muses. Two first dragon. Scarex. The young turtle. The T-Rexes. That's all what I had last time. That's all I had last time. Did I add something misses? Did I add something miss? I mean, miss it. You scammer. Huh? Huh? Did I add wrong? Did I add wrong? Did I add wrong? I don't know. If you guys wanna see the second one, make sure to click the subscribe button and like button. Bye.